Yeah, it's recording now. Just make sure it's still got this people in it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Cool. I'm gonna
Ready.
push record for mine too.
Okay. Okay. I'll introduce it now. Okay, the sisters, the beautiful sisters are visiting us today, and we've learned a song together, especially for their families and any children who want to learn Samoan and English song together with us. So I hope you like it. It's called Sa Vali Vali. Tasi Lua.
Sa Vali Vali means go for a walk. Tau Talatele means too much talk. Alofa Te Oi means I love you. Take it easy, fai fai le move. Tene Alile means pretty girl. Ta'amilo Milo means around the world. Whisper to me means Musa Musa Mai. Oyo means I oh my. Go for a ride, stay at home means no for ilefale. Leayos to super means no more money, but trouble means fa alave lave. E wamani oh, le malo, le fai so loto, I do love feeling alo. Le fai so loto, I do love feeling alo. Woo-hoo-hoo! Choo!
Yay! Well done. I think it was good anyway. I don't know. See?